In this video, we will learn how to submit a website sitemap on Google Search Console step by step. So let's get started. In our last video, we learned how to set up your website with Google Search Console. So the next step is to add a sitemap so Google can discover and index our website faster. So firstly, log into Google Search Console, and here you can see we have the following website set up. Now firstly, we need a sitemap in order to submit it. In this demo video, we have a WordPress website which automatically generates a sitemaps for you. But if you do not have a WordPress website and a website which is static, you can generate a sitemap and submit it. We will learn that later on. So firstly, we will generate a sitemap for WordPress. You can simply type in the following address, sitemap.xml, in order to access your WordPress sitemap. You can see the WordPress automatically generates a sitemap for your site. You simply need to copy the following address. So we copied this part. Now go back on the Google Search Console left sidebar, click on Sitemaps. Now add the sitemap part here, which we copied. Now click Submit. The sitemap was successfully submitted. Now it might take some time before discovering our pages on our website. Now we will learn how to submit a sitemap for a website which is static and not a WordPress website. You simply type in the following address, then add your website here and click Start. It will take some time before generating a sitemap for your website. Click View Sitemap Details and download the XML sitemap file. You can use any tool which gives you XML sitemap and download it. Now you need to access to the file manager of your website. We are using Hostinger, so we will click Dashboard, then click File Manager. Now click public_HTML. Now we are on the root level of our website. So simply upload the XML file we just downloaded it. It's sitemap.xml. So basically you need to upload the sitemap in the root level of your website. Now go back and simply type sitemap.xml and click Submit. The sitemap was successfully submitted. This is how you can submit a sitemap for a static website. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.